Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time tuning in. My name is Manifa and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I did this, nice cute hairstyle since my hair has been straight, and before I revert it back to its curly state, I wanted to do a quick little hairstyle. If you guys would like to see how I did this, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. And without further ado, let's just get to it. So now that my hair is straight, I'm gonna try to do a hairstyle while I have it in a straight state before I revert it back. So let's do this quick look of style. By the way, my bob is no longer a bob. So let's try to do a look of style. 2 ponytails in the back, 2 look of ponytail buns. I don't know if I want my part to be super straight. One thing I realized about my hair is my hair is very fine. Like whenever it's in its natural state, like poofy, puffy afro, it's thick. Whenever it's straight, it's thin. It's thin. So that lets me know I have fine hair. What I'm gonna use is my Eben. We don't want to use water-based products because we don't want my hair to revert back to curly. Take a generous amount and I palm it. I just put it on my hair.
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Feels like you drive me firing, natural disasters. My baby is moving around.
Okay, my hair is doing a little reverting. Added gel to this part and it reverted back, so that means my hair isn't damaged. This one's gonna take a while, but yeah, I'm scared to turn around. How the back look? How the back look? I think I should do some makeup and come back.